Okay, so this is the Khyam quick erect system motordome tourer, and when you get it out of the bag and you've got it loosened off and you've flapped away the tent material from the poles, this is what you want to be looking at when you want to start putting it up. Okay, so I'm going to pause a minute and then I'm going to try and get some help to show you the rest. Okay, so out the bag, tent material, and what you're looking for is this. Okay, this is what you want, and this is what you're going to be pulling up, and when you do that, the roof of the tent's going to become apparent, and then you simply have to go round and sort the legs out. So let me get some help and I'll get back to you. When it comes out of the bag, it looks messy. You need to get the tent material away from the poles, but this is the way it needs to look. All right, you need to be looking at the poles this way up. Okay, so they're all sticking up in the air, and then what you're going for is this bit here. I don't know if you want to come in a minute. But this is what you're going for, and this is what you've got to pull. Alright, so you need to pull this up, and that starts you off making the roof of the tent. Pulling it up, and as we're coming up, we're locking off these. Okay, this. I'm not going to do that one now because I can't reach it, but I'll do this one. We're locking them off like that, okay? And I'm going to come round. You still want the legs of the tent need to be underneath still. Underneath it. So we're locking that one off. Like that. Right, so just doing this last leg pop. Oh, sorry, arm pop really it is. Keeping the legs underneath for a minute. Alright, and then what we've got then is we've done basically the roof part, okay? Like that, a minute. So we've got the arm part clicked in, and then this part basically kicks back up again, so it comes up like that, and then we kick the leg bit, and then kick the, and that leg bit normally sits in here, so I'll just pop that down again. So take a bit of pressure off, kick it in, okay. You can see how that does that. Alright, so we'll go around now and we'll do the other three. You follow me round. Okay, so this bit's already done from when we pulled it up originally. So all we're doing is just kicking that one in again. So we've got that side done. And then, as long as I'm not too tangled up here, that's fine. So we're just popping that one in as well. And then finally, just popping the last one in like that. And essentially, that is, got a bit of writing around here if you want to come around. Just to show it's the same thing that we started with. Yeah. Alright, so that's our Khyam motordome tourer. Partially put up, alright, partially erected. All we've got to do now is do the guy lines. It needs pegging out on the corners, that's the main thing. But ultimately, this is the bit that always gets people. It's the pulling it up in the middle bit, okay? So again, you've always got to make sure you start with all the legs pointing upwards, material around it. If you can see the material on top of it, you've got it the wrong way up. You need to turn it over, alright? So we're just striking it now. So do that, kick the leg in, alright? Again, put the pressure off, kick the leg in, alright? Down it comes. Then pressure off, kick the leg in, pressure off, kick the leg in, alright? This bit's a bit counterintuitive, so you're going this way, okay? It's folding it up on itself. And again, folding it up on itself. One more time. And then I just pop on these and we're coming up, okay? Popping these, bringing it all up. So we're going to end up like that again, all the legs facing up. Bring it up. Last time. Bring it up. Alright. So what we're trying to do is get it all up into the centre. Walking it right in. Then you're just going to bring the material up round it, tie the rope round it, done.